Alright, YouTube, back with another banger video. Back at it, Rick Take Profit. Today we have a $1,500 trade, guys. This is a perfect setup, guys. Let's go right into it, okay? So, we're on the 5 minute. What do? We mark out pre-market highs. We marked out pre-market highs right here. We have pre-market highs, and we have these draws on liquidity right here. Okay? This is also a draw on liquidity. I don't know why I forgot to put this here. Let's just do that right there real quick. Just so for the beginners out there who don't know what draw on liquidity is. Okay, boom. We have the pre-market high. Market opens. Let's hop into the 1 minute and see what happens. Hop into the 1 minute. Pre-market highs get swept. Pre-market highs get swept. Come back in. And what do we see here? PMI drops. And then boom. This huge candle forms, making a fair value gap with it. Okay. This was a crazy candle. I didn't even check news today. This was a crazy candle. This fair value gap forms right here. How do I make this fair value gap more like present? Like this thing looks mad faded. Okay, yeah, maybe this is probably better, right? Do this. Okay, boom. You see this fair value gap form? Price comes in, taps into it. I watch this candle form right here on the 1 minute. Okay, boom. This candle opens right here. Price comes down, comes back up all the way up to here. And then wicks down here, price closes right here. I wait for price to close. Boom, I enter in on this candle and just let it rock. My TP, I always go for 2 to 1s. Remember, guys, my stop loss was below the fair value gap. And I always set my TP up to here, 2 to 1. Luckily for me, my TP was literally right at this draw of liquidity. And what do you see happen? Price came up to the draw of liquidity. And then boom, you take profit right here. If you look at the bigger picture, right? With this strategy, price hit our profit, came back to our entry, hit profit again, but to be fair, this was news. Okay, just about you could tell by the wick this was news, so it doesn't really count. But price continued to come up a little bit. Price taps back into our fair value gap, and what do we see price do? Hit our take profit again. This just goes to show, guys, these fair value gaps is a pretty good strategy to buy in. If I'm thinking like, bro, if you get a very aggressive entry and you decide to buy in right here, you could have a crazy risk reward and get even more profit just by being more aggressive and entering in inside these fair value gaps. Okay, it's just a little bit more risky, but it's definitely worth it. Okay, guys, you see like these entries are just be crazy. And then another trade setup that we seen later on in the day, I think it may have been on the 5 minute or it may have been on the SPY stock itself, because I was looking at the SPY stock and this at the same time. But yeah, okay, let's look at this right here. This might have been news, but I'm pretty sure this candle is still printing, right? As you can see here, we have this bearish fair value gap. This bearish fair value gap on the 5 minute. And what do we see price do? Let's fix this up a little bit. Okay. Boom. We have this bearish fair value gap. Price taps into it. Boom. Crazy wicks. Candle close. You enter in short on this candle. Psh, all the way down here. All the way down here. I'm pretty sure I got this trade on one of these somewhere around here. Not crude oil, not gold, not NQ, on SPY. This is a failed setup. I took it somewhere. It's just not showing up. This is an L that we took, right? As you can see, we went to the bottoms. I see this bullish candle form, so this is a very bullish pattern. I'm thinking, okay, we bottomed out for the day. Boom, price taps in this fair value gap. Enter in right here. I had a pretty bad entry because I was just, I just looked in, just took this idea. This is just an idea. I didn't even take this trade. Boom. I didn't even want to go for 2 to 1 just because of these fair value gaps right here. As you can see, price did go up. We got pretty good amount of profit when you really think about it, but it just couldn't keep going. And it's late in the day, so not the ideal trading hours. So yeah, I guess a better entry would be like right here, probably. Yeah. Oh, if you heard that, that was me farting, by the way. So yeah, guys, this is a pretty fire trade setup right here. You could have even took the shorts too a couple times, I'm pretty sure. Like, look at this right here. Let's look at this right here. Oh, I thought this was a fair value gap. I could have swore I just seen a fair value gap somewhere. I'm tripping. I am tripping. I am tripping on a yacht. I am tripping on a yacht. Okay, but yeah, guys, this is a pretty good trade setup. We swept the highs. We didn't sweep the highs. We went bullish. Market came in, took this play. This play is a little risky because it was PMI. It was news. I don't know if it was PMI. It might have been PMI. Pretty sure. But yeah, guys, W trade setup. Lily had a perfect draw on liquidity right here. Order block formed. Bears for value gap. Price absent. Took the short. Printed easily. You could have printed on the longs. Could have printed on the shorts. It's all up to you guys. Remember, guys, it's all the mental game. It's all about discipline and waiting for setups to come to you. Don't force setups, guys. I'm out. This was a quick video, 5 minutes. Catch you on the flip side.